Someone tell me the two ways that you can classify triangles. How can you group triangles? There's two ways to do it. Give me one way. Addison?
By sides.
By their sides, absolutely. What's the other way? Madison?
By their angles.
By their angles, very good. So I have them up here. Angles and sides. Let's start with our angles. There are 3 triangles that we can classify by angles. Give me one. Talia.
Obtuse.
Obtuse. And Talia, what does an obtuse triangle have to have?
2 sides.
It has to have 3 sides, but what kind of angle does it have to have for obtuse? For an obtuse triangle, like this, what's the very important angle that it has to have? It's called an obtuse triangle, so what kind of angle does it have to have?
Oh,
It has to have an obtuse angle. Very good, very good. All right, can you give me another triangle? Savannah.
Acute.
Acute. Now, Savannah, what kind of angles does an acute have to have?
Acute.
How many?
3.
It has to have 3. Very good. Just like this. All right, and there's one more type of triangle.
Right.
A right triangle. And Samaya, what kind of angle has to be in a right triangle? A right angle. Very good. All right, so that is angles by their triangles by their angles. So let's talk about sides now. We're doing length of sides. Can someone remember one of the triangles that we measure by their sides? There's 3 types of those as well. Jakai?
Equilateral.
Equilateral. All right.
Why are you no.
Now we have this word in equilateral. What do you think that might mean then? What do you think that might mean? Josue?
Equal.
It means equal, so all sides are
Equal.
very good. Give me another type of triangle. Naimir? Isosceles. Now, we always box in SOS. Someone tell me why we box in SOS for isosceles triangle. Jackson?
Same, other, same.
Because the sides are same, other, same. That means there are 2 are the same and 1 is different. Very good. There is one more. One more. Emery.
Scalene.
Scalene. Now, Emery, can you remember what do we write on scalene to help us remember?
Scatter.
Right. SCA stands for scattered. And what does scattered mean?
Like they're all different.
All different, all over the place. So that's a triangle that has all different sides. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, so here's what we're going to do today. You are going to create these types of triangles using our ang legs, okay? So I have my big ang legs, my teacher set. Can someone tell me, just by looking at this one, look at the colors. Tell me what type of triangle this is by its sides. Look at the colors because they help you. We know the colors are the same if they're the same color. Waylani?
Easy.
It is acute because every single angle is acute. And by sides, what is it? Jackson?
Isosceles.
How do you know isosceles?
Because 2 of the sides are the same.
2 are the same and
1's different.
1 is different. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at this triangle. Someone tell me what we know about this triangle. Javon?
It is acute and equilateral.
It is acute, meaning every angle is acute, and it's equilateral because every side is the The same. Very good. All right. The last one I have to show you is this one. Take a look at these sides, and what do you think about this one? Anna?
It still looks like a cute, but they really don't have the same colors.
Okay, so if they have all different colors, what does that mean?
Isosceles.
Oh, no. It's a little bit scattered, right?
Scattered.
So, scalene.
Scalene.
Say scattered,
Scattered.
scalene.
Scalene.
Very good.
They really don't have the same color, but it looks like a cute. But it is a cute because it has the same size like this.
Very good. All right. So, so now what we're going to do, you guys are so sweet. I'm going to let you open up your egg legs with your partners, and I'm going to let you kind of just make a triangle quickly. There are no rules at this point, except I need you to make a triangle. So, let me grab you guys one more set over here. I just want you to practice hooking them together really quickly before we get into it. All right, so here, and you and I can tap over here, and you two just keep them separated so we don't mix it up, okay? Just quickly make a triangle.
We can make a tiny triangle.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to give you about 7 seconds to finish up your triangle. 7, 6,
Oh,
5,
scaling.
4, 3,
Because all the sides are different.
1. All right, how many sides does a triangle have, Zion? How many?
3.
Yep, so make sure it has 3. Very good, very good. All right, hold up your triangle so I can see that you made a triangle. Hold it up for me. All right, good job, guys. So take your things apart.
Chum, chum, chum.
And now I'm going to start giving you some challenges. So the first thing I want you to make is an equilateral triangle. So you can ask your partner if you're a little confused or if you need some help, or you can ask me. And I want you to make an equilateral triangle. And when I ask you to hold it up, I want everyone to hold them up.
Bread. And this is a cute again.
Seeing some good isosceles. All right, everyone, hold up your isosceles triangles. These are great. What's the same about all of our isosceles? Even though they're the same. Yes, 2 sides are the same. Well, scalene scattered. So what do you think
That was awesome.
about them? There is a similar. Yeah, very good. Very good. It's easier to make an angle first and then
Make your own.
Okay, that's okay. I'll do it. I know how to make it. Just to get the red and wait, not the red. Something smaller than the red and put something right in the bottom.
scalene is what?
Make your to look like you make your own.
Hey.
I know.
Yeah, so they're all different. Yep.
I love this.
Stop believing the color. I know, I said that. What? I'm sorry. I'm worried.
I'd say maybe make
Is this all two? Yeah.
Measure it. Is it bigger than a right?
That's
All two?
very good. Yes.
I'm the one who did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
One that.
That is. Yep.
Now I'm trying to make a right scale.
That's great. Rights are hard to make. Rights are hard.
Could this count?
If you shorten it up, you know what? That'll work for me. You can kind of shorten it up and not exactly attach it.
Okay.
Look at that, you did it.
Yes.
Very good.
I got a. Then we're all fine. This is sounds awesome, right? This is sounds awesome.
Oh, the right. The right was right there.
And we are going to do a little clicker activity to see how well we'll do on some triangle questions.
Yay!
Okay? All right, and it's going to tell us not who, but how many kids got it right, and that kind of thing, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is I click the attendance button, so you find your blue button, your blue star, and go ahead and press it. And once everybody's clicked in, we will go ahead. I'm waiting on a couple people. Okay, and you can click in for them. All right, good deal. I think she is. All right, so, oh, there she is. Okay. All right, boys and girls, this is a practice question. That's what they pretend. It's a practice question. It says, how would you describe this triangle by sides and angles? So for sides, I'm going to read it to you since some of you are far back. It says 10 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 12 centimeters. So what would that be? Equilateral, isosceles, or scaling? 4, 10, and 12. Raise your hand if you think you know. This is kind of like the questions that you're going to get. Addison. Scaling, because they're all what? They're all scattered and different. Now, by angles, I have a right angle here, an acute, and an acute. So by angles, what do you think that would be? Right, obtuse, or acute? Karma. Right, because it has that right angle. Very good. So we're going to go ahead and get right into these questions. Okay, question number 1. Now, I'm not going to click it until we think about it for a second. It says, how would you describe this triangle by sides? 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. You have your ABC options. And, hey, listen. I know you haven't done this before, but when I click it, it's going to light up, okay? And you select A, B, or C, which one you think it is, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and push the button. All right, you should be lit up now with your options. Go ahead and click in with what you think it is, equilateral, isosceles, or scaling. You click the one you think it is, just press it, and then when it, perfect, when it goes away, you're good. All right, let's see how we did. Boys and girls, look. Hey. So 1C scaling. Boys and girls, remind me, what's scaling mean again?
Scattered.
Scattered. So since these are the same, it was A, equilateral. Good job. All right. Next question. How would you describe this triangle by its angles? So our options are right, obtuse, and acute. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. A few more seconds to click in. Ooh, okay. Now we have a little bit of a split here, so let's look at this. We are between obtuse and what?
Acute.
Now, boys and girls, look at this angle right here. Do you see this one? Raise your hand if you can tell me what that angle is. What is that angle that I just pointed to? Samaya. Obtuse. So boys and girls, if it has an obtuse angle, what is it?
Obtuse.
It's obtuse. Can someone remind me what acute is? Because I see an acute angle here and here. But what is it about an acute angle that's a little different than this one? Savannah? Right, acute aren't as wide, but as far as a triangle goes, how many does it have to have?
3.
All 3 have to be acute. How many boys and girls?
3.
All 3. Okay. Let's do the next one. By sides. Karma.
Equilateral, scaling, and
Perfect. Very good job, boys and girls. All right. And that's great.
She's lit.
Her kindness.
I love everything about her. Kind.
Kind.
Everything.
Her hugs.
Woo!